Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today we have something fun from Benefit. We have the Bomb Ass Brows by Desi Perkins. Now I did pick this up from Beautylish for $60. It is $126 value. You do get 6 different products and I did get them in a medium warm. So inside you get these beautiful rose gold brows set just to make like the perfect brow. It does come with a pretty big mirror, and inside you're gonna see like this nice little pamphlet, and she kind of gives you like some tips on how to do like a nice feathery and natural brow to a nice bold brow. And it also has it in English and in Spanish, which is actually really nice. So let's see what's inside. I gotta put my little reader guys here. Okay, so inside you're going to get, let me get a little pencil to pull these out. You're going to get a 24-hour brow setter, which is really nice. It is on the clear side, so it's not tinted or anything like that. And then you're gonna get a Kaboom, which is a mini one. So it has a little brush inside, and then you have like a little pomade. So this is great for traveling. And then you're gonna get one of my favorites, and this is the Foolproof Brow Powder. Super adorable. It's like a really cute little packaging. Then you do get a little mirror inside, and it just kind of gives you little steps on how to use it. And then you get 2 different shades, which is really nice. I'm not really like a powder girl, but I have been using it, and when I did use it, I like the fact that I could use this in the beginning just to give me a more natural brow, and then just kind of end it with a darker brow. It does come with this little guy right here, which I'm not really a fan of this thing. It didn't really do much for me, but it does have a little spoolie on the other end, so then you could just kind of put it together and then put it back in your little guy here, which is super cute. Okay, and then you get a brow pencil, which they're always fancy. So it's a little retractable one, and then it has a little spoolie on the other side. And then you get a little highlighter just to kind of carve out your brows. And this is the color. And then you get a little brush, which is like the perfect density, and then you get a little spoolie on the other side. Now, I don't do anything fancy with my brows. They're 2 different shapes. I had somebody kind of pull off the little tail when they did it, and they're a little thinner than what I normally like. I just like a really nice natural brow. I don't do anything crazy, but when I saw this set, I wanted to get it because I kind of want to experiment a little bit more with my brows. I did like this, but today we're just going to do the little pencil, and I'm just going to show you what I like to do to my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these little guys off, and then I'm going to kind of comb my brows up. Well, I'm going to go ahead and use a brush so I could show you what I like to do when I use this little guy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go into the lighter shade, and then I kind of just like to feather that in just to kind of fill in my brows a little bit. So when I go in with the pencil, I'm not going to be adding like a ton of product. So I'm going in with the lighter guy, and then I'm going to go in with the darker towards the end. Going with the lighter. So when I brush the hairs up, it kind of lets me get more product in between the hairs. I'm just extending this little brow. All right, so just really simple. Now I'm going to go in with the pencil. I'm just going to comb everything out. Then I'm just going to do light feathery strokes, just so that it gives the illusion that I have hair there. And then since my eyebrows are a little thinner, I like to go outside my natural brow line and just feather that in lightly. Now, because I want to create an illusion that I have an arch, I'm going to go a little pointier right here. And then I'm just going to feather that out. I'm just going to comb that brow out a little bit just to kind of blend everything. So now I'm going to go underneath and just make that a little thicker. I'm not going to do like a little line or anything like that. I just want to go in lightly. Make it look like I have natural hairs. Now this pencil really is pigmented. Can you hear my bulldog outside the door? She's like, poor thing. Now I'm stressed out because she's scratching her back and she can't because she's chubby. Okay, so I'm just going to feather that in again and go outside my natural brow line. Poor thing, my little bulldog, she's so chubby, she can't scratch her back. So she's literally, because she's done this before when I'm doing the video, when I'm done, I'll go out there and she's on her back trying to scratch herself, poor thing. Okay, so now I'm going to go underneath again. Elongate that tail and then go outside the brow again. Just feather that in. Let me see what it looks like up close. Okay, so now I have to go up here and just give myself a little bit more of a point so that I have that little arch look. And that's it. Now I'm going to go in with the little brow gel that I've really been enjoying lately. And just kind of comb them up. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the little highlighter. I'm just going to place a little bit right there. Just going with the little brush and just kind of blend that a little bit. I just like a little bit. And that's it. That's just something that I like to just really nice and natural. Nothing bold yet. I mean, I'm definitely going to be playing, I have a hair. I'm definitely going to be playing with this, you know, little set because there's so many things to play with. I haven't tried this little guy yet, and I would definitely be using it on some of my tutorials. But mainly I just wanted to show a nice natural look, but this is something that I'm really interested in playing with because I did pick one up from Wet n Wild that just came out, but that's something for a later video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.